In a pan, take about 1.5 cups of water, 3 cups of tomatoes, and half a cup of onions. Add to it 2 inches of thinly sliced ginger, 2 slit green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander roots, and 1 cup of broken cashew nuts. Add in the whole spices, namely about 1 inch of cinnamon, 1 pod of black cardamom, 4 pods of green cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 dried red chillies, and 1 large bay leaf. Cook for about 10 minutes or till the tomatoes start to break down, mixing occasionally to ensure even cooking. Cool and puree using a blender or mixie. Pass through a strainer to get a smooth gravy. In a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add the diced paneer in a single layer. Cook on each side, flipping as and when required. Fry the paneer in batches if needed. Once golden in color, remove the paneer from the pan and set aside. In the same pan with ghee, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well and add the strained gravy. Add 1/4 cup of cream, half tablespoon of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and bring to a boil. Then to the gravy add the shallow fried paneer. Bring to a final boil and remove from the flame and pour in a serving dish. Garnish with cream and serve.